What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on this video. I know it's been like 3 weeks since I posted a video last, but it's because of this shit. It's been snowing bad as hell up in fucking Ohio, so yeah, I couldn't.
Out on this 19.
Just cashed out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nah, that's my boys. 392. Shit. Nah, 392 Carson. Subscribe to his shit. Like and subscribe to his shit. He's about to post a video too. We're gonna be doing a oil catch cam. Corsa oil catch cam on my Hellcat. Let's get that in there. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright. Got a little Allen wrench, getting these screws out to put the fucking mount on. Already know. Okay, so it's like, let me hold it. Nah, I got it, babe. It's going in. It's going in the video, bro. He sent me a video.
Some donuts and burger for the leave.
Yeah.
You're not.
I will. It's wet. It's wet out, bro.
Mom will beat your eye.
Till that day.
Oh yeah! Yeah, baby. Nah, I'll be alright, bro.
Better have your car. Is what she'll say.
I'll be alright. I'm a lonely man. Yeah. I know, me too. Bang out. Okay, what's next? What's next? My instructions and shit.
Oh, fuck. I lucky want to put this on real quick.
Chat. I know I said I was getting the muffler delete. That's coming soon, bro.
Coming soon.
Coming.
I definitely just put that on quick. Wait, that is not funny.
Stupid ass. I'm coming. Fucking bitch. Hey, try that.
What?
Don't burn yourself.
You know I'm really a mechanic, right? How are these?
Take that white clear thing off. Yellowish. Yeah, take that thing off. This tube.
Yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, I know. My bad, bro.
How you take it off?
I don't know. It says it's got clips.
Clips? Clips? Clips?
Now I was looking at it and it don't seem right to me either. Might have to watch the YouTube video. Oh, I think I got it.
No way.
Did you hear it?
I mean, I heard something break, yeah.
It clicked, dipshit.
Careful, your shit gonna start beeping at you. Watch it. Don't beep at me again.
Hey!
It's got oil on it.
See, that's why the oil catch can's there.
Ah, see, because if not, I'm going there.
Yeah.
Get this oil off me, twin. Rub it in like lotion.
Retarded. Wait, actually, I think. Ow, shit! Oh!
Got it? What just fell?
The peas. That holds it.
So get under there on the wet ground.
No!
Pick that shit up.
It caught it, bro.
Where at?
On my thing.
What do you mean it caught it? Oh, yeah. You're cooked. You're fucking cooked. Because I can't even see that shit.
It's all good, bro. It was a little piece.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Do you want me to still look at the video or no?
Nah, I don't need it anymore.
Alright.
I need my papers.
You're just gonna be driving around with that thing under there. Tank, like, rattling.
Nah, I'd be alright, bro. Alright, we finished the oil catch can. Yes, sir. Get that bitch in there. Hopefully we did it right. I really don't know, but you know, we'll know once I start this bitch up, see if it's got a check engine light. About to check actually right now. Fuck it. Oh, fuck. I don't need to start it, I don't think. Bitch, shut up. Let me just start this shit. I think that ass gotta check in. No, I don't.
Okay. Straight.
I don't. That clean ass dash. Yes, sir. Thought I had a check engine light. That shit's not check engine. But yeah.
Straight.
But yeah.
Good.
Let's hear the infamous tick. Nah, it's all good. I think it's good.
Straight, right?
That shit's straight.
I'd say.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, probably about to do maybe a POV or something, slide out here. Because it's low-key a short video, but yeah.
Oh! Oh my goodness gracious. My goodness. Nah, that is loud.
Is it?
Loud.
Yes, sir. All right, go ahead, rev it, bro. Let's get it, cuz. Yo, that bitch sound good, boy. Fuck the text.
How much you got? Then you worry about the wrong thing.
Go leave.
I'd rather
Ride that bitch again, boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, bro.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir! Nah! Twin smoked that shit out! Twin smoked it out! Damn!
What the fuck, bro? Nah, that shit trip, cuz. You good, bro?
I gotta get some room.
Oh, what you about to do? Oh, fuck. They about to kill me. All right, bro. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna end the video here. It's getting dark out. Got a little sunset in the back, but hopefully I didn't fuck up my car. That shit was smoking. I think it's just because I got brand new tires on that bitch. I'm low-key about to put 305s on that bitch because 275, I'd be like sliding out easily on that. But you can see that shit. That shit's about dark as hell. I'll walk you all over there. And fucking, I'm a try my best to get videos out every week, but it's low-key hard out here in fucking Ohio. It'll be snowing whenever it wants to, but yeah. Look at that shit. That shit's pitch black. Perfect O's. You already know. I know how to slide that bitch. Nah, that was like the first time me ever sliding that Hellcat, so I thought I did pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get a video out next week. And yeah, we're gonna do the muffler dilute soon. And then I got a decal I gotta put on my whip. So yeah, and LED interior lights. Perfect. But yeah, we're going to end the video here. Thank you all for watching this video all the way through. And comment Hellcat in the comments if you made it all the way through this video. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one.